Hello. So today I'm going to show you how you can see your work in creation, previewing it, as opposed to opening up a different web browser and saving it, and just, multiple steps, multiple buttons to click. So the way we're going to get this set up is we're going to install an extension in our VS Code. So VS Code is a text editor that you see right now. And to go to the extensions, you can go to View, extensions. Control-Shift-X is the alternative way. You can hit this little thing right here as well. Multiple ways of getting to it. View extensions, and the name of it, what was it called? Just type in preview. Oh, what was it? Web preview, I think. Let's see. Can't remember the name of it. I'm blanking on it all. I just uninstalled it so I could do this. Preview on web server. There it is. Okay, so preview on web server. I've been using it, but I uninstalled it so you guys can see the process. So it's preview on web server. And then I hit this little green button saying install. And it goes through the process. So you can see in the bottom, kind of gives you information on how it works. Looks like it's already installed. You may have to reload or something. Like I said, I had this on my, I had this before and I uninstalled it so we could go through the process. But anyways, there might be another option for you to reload or something like that. But that's it. It's installed. And the way you use it, in case the instructions here, you can preview on the side panel by using Control-Shift-P, launching the browser, Control-Shift-L. These are the ones that I do the most of, and there's some other options as well. But the Control-Shift-L and the Control-Shift-P are the ones that I use the most. But that is basically how you install the web preview. And so we want to go ahead and get rid of that sidebar, close out this window. And so we see the syntax from the last video that I made, and just hit Control-Shift-P. Sometimes it's a little slow. You can see it's activating extensions. I think it's trying to do something. And what usually happens is I get impatient and do it a couple of times, and then right there, it's open twice, but that's okay. And just close one of it. And then you can see the preview of how it's going to look when you actually open up in the web browser. And to see it in the actual full screen of the web browser, Control-Shift-L. And let's see. Running the contributed command and the extension launch failed. Sometimes I have problems with Control-Shift-L. It doesn't always want to work, or I don't know why. It's not perfect, but it's pretty good when it does work. Let's see. I wonder if I close this out. I'm waiting for the preview. Still activating extensions. Let's see. I am not known for my patience. I'm not sure why it's not working. There we go. Multiple times, because that's how many times I hit it. Okay. And then there's the, okay. It's just like I said, sometimes it can have a bit of a lag. I don't know why. I don't know if it's something with the extension. I don't know, something to do with my Wi-Fi. I don't know, but it's still thinking. Yeah, and like I said, there we go. Okay, and there it is. So sorry it took so long, but just don't get discouraged if it's not working. I know personally, um, sometimes it can be discouraging if you don't see it work like instantaneously, like everything else is supposed to on a computer. You might be thinking that's not working or we didn't do something right. That's not necessarily always the case. Sometimes it just has a lag, and I'm like I said, I don't know if it's a Wi-Fi speed. I don't know, something with the extension. I don't know, but it's pretty awesome when it does work. So that's how you can see a preview of what you're working on in real time. Oh, and the other thing. So when you make changes, it doesn't automatically show up in here until you hit Control S to save it, or File, Save. And then it automatically updates as it does right here. So it's a very cool tool. Just don't get too frustrated whenever there's a lag in it. So that's how you do the preview.